What's up guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I post about videos regarding how to make money online every single day on YouTube. So today I'm going to talk about some of the apps through which you can make some money under 30 seconds. Okay, simple as that. But before we proceed, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos regarding how to make money online every single day on YouTube. Let's get started. As you can see on the screen, this is the Play Store. If you go to Google and search Money App Cash for Free Apps, then you will show the search result which will come up and you will be able to click on that link, and as soon as you click on that link you will come to this page that I'm currently viewing. Okay, this is an app available on Play Store which is called Money App Cash for Free Apps. Okay, now the next thing you have to do is, as you can see, you can make money every single day. Reward apps get paid fast, complete easy task and get cash. What you will do is complete some task and you can get paid via PayPal, or you can redeem that points to directly be paid to your PayPal account. So as you can see, it has got a really nice reputation on Google Play Store, and as you can see, almost 4.5, I think 4.7, probably like that, and that's incredible. And look, people are giving it 5 stars, and that's awesome. A very nice and fair app. If you want more credit scores, you must complete the task. This is pretty good. As you can see here, it has got 4.5 ratings. And how does it work? First you have to do, you have to install this on your phone. You really need only phone and a reliable internet connection. That's what you need. Then what you have to do is you have to complete the tasks. Like, first create an account in this section, and then you have to complete tasks to accumulate credit rewards, redeem your credits for cash via PayPal. More options will be there in the future, so I think you should use this and get paid in 2 to 3 working days. Only 2 to 3 working days you will get paid. You can start earning money right now. So and there are some rules you have to abide by. For example, don't create multiple or fake accounts. Don't use VPNs or proxies to fake your IP address or location. Don't try to change your device ID. Do not spam with your referral codes, and they will suspend their account if you don't comply with these rules, obviously. So these are the rules you have to follow, and just start earning points just for completing various other tasks, like probably doing some kind of services and testing some free services, or free, even playing games, free games available there. You can, and trying out the free trial software or something like that, you'll be able to make some money, and obviously you get paid via PayPal. That's one of it, which is called Money App. Now the next app I'm going to show you is called B2B, and this works similarly. What you have to do is, if you have an iPhone or a Google Play, for example, if you have an Android, then it will work in both the devices, so there's not much problem here. As you can see here, you can earn rewards and bitcoins as well, so that's cool. Complete simple tasks on your phone, install apps, watch videos, complete surveys, and redeem earned points for PayPal, bitcoins, and tokens and other gift cards, and available Amazon gift card you can also get here. So that's incredible, right? So what you have to do is first click on this link, then visit this website. Like, this is the Google Play section, which you can directly open from your phone, and it is really awesome, and it has a 4.3 ratings. That means it really works, and great enter for B2B bonus. I used to really like this game. I'm currently at the game basically became an ad watching applet of the app after the big update. You can avoid the ads. So she has kind of written in a very difficult way. Nice app, 100% legit. I'll give 4 stars for now. That the app has a few bugs, otherwise 100% paying. That means they're paying an honest app. Okay, that means you can really make money via PayPal by using this app, and I think you should give it a try. Okay, and this is it's a free money, right? Almost you just have to do some kind of task in your free time, and just you can make money via PayPal, and that's incredible. The only requirement is you have to put some type of effort into it, like some of your time, and you must have a verified PayPal account to get paid. That's it. So these are the two apps I thought I would share it with you, and maybe it will be helpful for you. So I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos regarding how to make money online every single day. And don't forget to press that bell icon, because you don't get any notification as soon as I post on YouTube. Okay, you must smash the bell icon. Okay, and as a disclaimer, as I say with every other videos I make, there's no guarantee that you will get paid for doing this, like for completing service and like that. There's no guarantee that you will get paid at all, but I recommend you to check this out, try it out yourself and see if it works for you. And if it works for you, that's awesome. If it doesn't work, then you have to try something else, and I will keep posting about how to make money online every single day. There will be videos like this, so that you can have more and more ways to make money. And I'm really trying my best to find out the more easier ways for you to make money online and within a very short time. So with everything, every business, this takes time. Okay, so you have to be patient, and that's what I wanted to say. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. See you again in the next video.